If you're tired of those pop-up notifications interrupting your focus every time a new Telegram message arrives, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a quick and clear way to disable notification pop-ups in the Telegram desktop app, so you can enjoy total peace and quiet while you work or relax at your computer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to control which notifications you see or don't see from Telegram. Let's jump straight in. First, go ahead and open up the Telegram desktop application on your computer. Give it a second to load if you don't keep it running all the time. You'll want to make sure you're logged into the correct account. Just confirm that your chats are showing as usual. Now, to access the settings, look at the very top left corner of the Telegram window, and you'll spot three little horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This is what's known as the hamburger icon. Clicking on it opens up Telegram's main menu. It might seem like a tiny detail, but finding these navigation icons can make or break your experience with any desktop app, so it's worth knowing where to look. Once that menu slides out, look for the Settings option. It should be about halfway down the list, near your profile name and a couple of other features. Click on Settings. This is your hub for tweaking how Telegram behaves, from chat appearance to privacy, but today our focus is on notifications. Inside the Settings menu, find and select Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how Telegram gets your attention, whether it's by popping up messages, making sounds, or flashing the taskbar icon. The options here might look a little overwhelming if you've never explored them before, but don't worry, I'll help you find just what you need. Now, to actually stop those pop-up banners, look for the toggle switch labeled Desktop Notifications. If you click on it once, it will turn off, and you'll notice the slider changes color or moves to the left. Different computer systems might show this a bit differently. By toggling this off, you're telling Telegram to stop sending those distraction-prone bubbles on your desktop. This means you won't be interrupted right in the middle of an email or a movie, but don't worry, your actual messages will still be there waiting when you check Telegram. If you want to go even further for a completely silent experience, let's say you're about to start a video call, or you're studying for an exam and don't want any hints of distraction, you have a couple more options that really help. Look for settings like Flash Taskbar Icon and Allow Sound. Turning both of these off ensures that Telegram won't silently nudge your attention with a blinking icon or a little sound. People often overlook these, but they make all the difference when you truly need to switch off and focus. Once you've adjusted these settings, you don't have to worry about hunting for a save button. Telegram automatically remembers your choices as soon as you make them. You can simply close the settings window and your preferences are set, and that's it. With these tweaks, you've reclaimed your workspace from pesky pop-ups and random pings. If at any point you need notifications back, maybe you're waiting for an important update, you can just repeat these steps and toggle the options back on. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up so others can find it too. If you have any questions or run into a tricky situation, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. I check them regularly and I'm happy to help. And if you want more clear, practical tutorials like this one, be sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.